Yes, but it's very easy to make that statement, but in actuality they have to get a lot of other things right. You have acquisition. First thing is when you create a product, how do you tell people, how do you tell customers that there is such a product? The app store doesn't solve the problem. It is just a place for them to put it. Ultimately they need to reach out to their target audience and figure it out. So that is called as the acquisition problem in the mobile space. Next is the engagement. Okay, you have spent money on acquiring customers, the user has downloaded the app. Now what do? That is when engagement comes. So when I say engagement, how do I keep the user for the first 5 seconds, the first 30 seconds, the first 3 minutes? So that is the engagement mode. If the user is not engaged, it's very easy for him to delete it. If you create an app that is 30 MB and the user's phone has only 64 MB of memory, he will figure out, oh, okay, I can't download anything else, let me delete this. So they have to understand that problem as well. Okay, so then that's the engagement. Then the retention is basically, okay, the user has used the app for some time, how do I make sure that he doesn't delete me because he gets bored about it? So you have to give him the most relevant content. If it is an e-commerce app, they send back offers to the customers, because for an e-commerce company, when they acquire a customer, they want him to stay with them for the next, I don't know, for the lifetime, because they are trying to create a long term association. So they need to worry about the retention mechanism. Monetization, I think if you are able to handle attention, engagement and retention, monetization becomes much more easier to solve. India is largely an Android country, so I think in an Indian context at least, if you know what demographic you are targeting, I think Android is the platform to go to. Then there are always the second platform and third platform, that's Microsoft platform and Apple platform. But in terms of an user base, Android is it's probably at around 85% of the market share, if not more. So I think that question is irrelevant, especially in the Indian context, because